Welcome to this Fixit channel, and it's very interesting. This is an explanation. If you wondered what happened with the Windows 10 October update and the fact that it was pulled from the you know from the update in Windows Update, and even the image was removed from the download page. We now have an explanation of what happened if you find it interesting to learn more about it. So what happened is that in April 2018 update, there are a number of users that actually complained that they had doubles of their main folders, documents, image, downloads, and so on. So those doubles were actually empty. So the October 2018 update, they actually pushed a fix that would remove the empty doubles. Problem is, if you had your files and folders, the default Windows folders, moved to a different location, it would erase the files in them. So people that are affected are only the people that have moved their files to a different location, that their default folders, documents and image and so on, are changed. They're not in the default place where the user usually are in Windows. So that's who is affected here. Regular folks that have never touched that, you guys have no problem. They've never changed anything, and you didn't lose any data if you were there. So that's pretty much the explanation here of what happened in the data loss of the Windows 10 update. Now, don't go looking for updates yet. It's still not back online, but it will eventually be there for sure. If you enjoy our videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.